What is up guys, Josh here of Yugatech, and in this box is an all-new mid-range device by Vivo. Now this one is called the Vivo V20 Pro, and I can't wait to unbox this and check this device out with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Now before anything else, if you take a look at the box very quickly, you can actually see a little bit of what you're getting here. At the corner, you can see that it's got an 8 plus 128GB configuration, and if you take a look at the back, we have some of the main highlights of the V20 Pro as well, including a Qualcomm Snapdragon 756G processor. Sweet! Now that we got that out of the way, let's continue by removing the lid of the box to check out the contents. We are presented with the familiar smaller packet, and the first thing that you'll actually see here is the Type-C charging cable. Then we get the usual complimentary clear jelly case, the SIM ejector tool, and of course, let's not forget the usual paperwork as well. Right underneath that is the phone itself, which I can already feel has some proper heft to it. Let's just quickly set that aside, and below that we can find your charging brick and some wired earphones, which is nice and convenient. Oh, we also get a Type-C to 3.5mm adapter, which I almost overlooked, but now that I see that we have one, it looks like there won't be a dedicated jack on this phone, which is alright by me. Alright, so now that we've seen the contents of this box, let's move on to the actual device, which I am quite excited for. Now, what I like about this phone already is that it boasts a good amount of heft to it, but still retains a nice and slim profile, which really feels good to hold in the hand. Our unit over here comes in a very punchy yet subtle sunset melody color variant, and is nice to the touch thanks to that matte glass back. It's also got this holographic design that I always think is quite an eye-catching finish. We also get two other color variants called Midnight Jazz and Moonlight Sonata, but the one that we have now has got to be the most attractive one out of the three. Now it should no longer come to a surprise when a new phone model comes out. More often than not, there's usually going to be a Pro variant as well, boasting a more upgraded set of features. In this case, it's going to be that 5G capable Snapdragon chipset, plus some upgraded camera features both at the front and on the rear. The main shooting module at the back, located on the left-hand side, employs a rectangular design with a triple camera setup equipped with hybrid zoom. Heading over to the front, we have a large screen accompanied by a center notch with a dual camera setup for the selfie shooter. Below that is your in-display fingerprint scanner as well, which worked really well on the V19, so this should perform just as fast, if not better. The frame of the device has a metallic shine and is actually aluminum and not polycarbonate, so that's nice. On the right, here's where you can find the power button with some lovely textured detail, and of course your volume rocker keys right on top of that. We have nothing going on over on the left side, so that's nice and clean, while on top you can find the typical secondary noise cancelling microphone, and finally below we have your Type-C charging port, single downward firing speakers, the primary mic, and here is where you can find the SIM tray as well. Taking a quick tour of the user interface and how it feels, everything seems to run snappy and shouldn't have a problem running the latest and greatest tasks. As far as I can tell, the Vivo V20 Pro looks to be packed with a bunch of features that a lot of people today are going to want/need, whether that would be for games, multimedia, or if you're just looking for a phone with an overall great performance. If you want to see our full breakdown of this device, check out our full review, which we'll leave a link for you guys right here. So what do you guys think of the Vivo V20 Pro? Let us know in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Josh, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one.